Yeah. I'm so happy. I couldn't wait to do this. I had to come on here and show y'all, honey, what this here is turning out like. Y'all, when I tell y'all, this green though, man, this green is definitely giving. I'm liking it. And guess what? Forgot all about it. Had blue pillows. They about gonna be on the floor more than they on the bed. But we got to bring the blue pillows back in, girl. Girl, when I tell you, this blue is hit. I mean, this green is so yes for me. Like, yes, yes, yes. And yes, like, it feels good. It feels refreshing. It feels like new decor, like new color. I ain't even changed nothing but the curtains and the bedspread. And that's it. And that's it. And that's all. And it just feels so, oh, yes, y'all, I love it. I can't wait till I get it all nice and really cleaned up in here and stuff, and get my I got my Bath and Body Works fragrance going in here, but I can't wait till I get in here and sweep and vacuum and mop and dust everything where it's dust and lint free and dust free. Y'all, it's turning out good. I knew it'd be cute. I knew it'd be cute. Look. Okay, let's see. Because those ain't no king size pillows inside that case. I want to try these. I had bought these pillows right here that's in front. They're real fluffy. I had bought these for the back pillows. The ones that go in the back that we sleep on. But I didn't like them, especially with the mattress that I had. So now I got a new mattress. I want to see how I will. Ooh, look at that blue child, look at it. Look at that. Look at that. That turned out nice, y'all. I like the colors together. I don't know, child. But me personally, I like it. I love the colors together. I love it. Y'all, I ain't done, but y'all, look at y'all, when I tell y'all, that looks so inviting. It looks, I can't wait till it's so nice and clean. I want to get boxes and stuff to put on the sides of each side of the bed. Y'all, don't that look cute? Yes, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it a lot. Bae! What you think?
Look good. Hopefully you don't plug my damn stitch card.
I ain't unplugged nothing. I just made the bed. No, I just made the bed. Oh no, it don't look good. That green look good. And you best not. Babe, why you gotta that look good. And it look good with the rug too, don't it? The rug don't really
what you got is green?
Yeah.
Well, the blanket.
Well, the blanket right there about on the floor.
I'm good with that. That's too thin. Ain't gonna make you got two fans.
Man, I be hot. I do. Anyway, I had to come and show y'all what it looked like. I said I was gonna wait. I don't know if I'm gonna add it to the video or not or whatever, but I had to come show y'all, man, when I tell y'all that is hold on, how they say? That's tea. That is tea. I did that there. And then with this side, I gotta still take that curtain down on this side over here so that I can close this up like I want it. But yes. I'm loving it, y'all. I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I did it. Yes. And then it's not too much by having green on this side too, you know, because it's a separate area. It's the closet. And I can close my closet up. That's why I gotta get me, hold on, because I think I had a, oh no, I thought I had a white one. But I'm gonna just get the white one from right there. I might take those down too and wash them again. 'Cause I don't wash them before. But I'm gonna just go ahead on and wash them while I'm in the washing business. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take them down, wash them. And yes, y'all, look at it though. Just look at it, I did that. That's cute, though. Yes. It can look used probably like a little bit more decor, but I'm cool with how it is. Cause remember I told you I want my house to just look just clean. That's all I want. I just want a clean look to it and stay like that, fresh and smelling so good. Yeah, but I had to come show y'all that. All right, I'm gonna go take me a shower and get in my comfortable bed. Oh, I hope those pillows work tonight. Be with this mattress, cause I ain't tried them since I got a new mattress. Cause baby, when I had them on my other bed, baby, when I tell you, it had my whole body hurting. Sometimes you wake up and your whole body hurting. You better think about the pillows that you're sleeping on. Switch your pillows out. Sometimes them old pillows on a raggedy mattress is what you need, honey. Because when you try to do new pillows on a raggedy sinking mattress, it have your whole body aching and you think it's the mattress, but it be the pillows. I can tell you, honey, too many times I done traded my pillows out thinking that I needed some new pillows, and then one trade the pillows out thinking that, you know, I needed certain type of pillows and stuff like that for the bed, but no, it'd be the bed it'd be the raggedy bed with the new pillows is what make your body hurt. Cause just think, you buying them nice plush fluffy pillows, ones that really don't go flat, and you buying them for the type of sleeper that you are, but you got a raggedy sinking mattress. So imagine having a side sleeping pillow that really don't, or back sleeping, however type pillow that really don't, you know how certain pillows don't like mess up and get reshaped and stuff like that, and then you laying in a sinking mattress, your posture is off with laying down. So yeah, them pillows is messing your body up, honey. I'm telling you. If I said it how I need to say it, the point is, it's the pillows. I'm just saying. So go on and get them little raggedy flat pillows from Walmart and stack a couple of them together and get you some good rest on them cheap pillows on your raggedy mattress. Because I'm telling you, that's what's going to work on the raggedy mattress. On the raggedy mattress, you need raggedy pillows. You cannot have no brand new mattress. No brand new pillows on a raggedy mattress. They don't go together. That the pillows, they're acting too bougie and stuff. And the mattress like, hey, I done been here. You just got here. What are you doing? And then you know what the pillows say? All right, I'm about to bounce because I ain't got time to be arguing with you. You too big for me anyway. And then, the pillows get to wearing your body out and you figure out it's the pillows and not the mattress. And then them pillows be like, deuces. I told you I wasn't gonna stick around long. I ain't got time to be arguing with you, honey. They say, look, the pillows say, help me, honey. I ain't trying to help the bear. The mattress is the bear. The pillows say, help me, because this bear is about to come and get me. But anyway, y'all, I'll check y'all in the next clip or the next video. I don't know which one y'all gonna see this in, but I'm hoping I can hold out like I said I was and post this in the next video.